Wala
Night
ng ano,
Arbor.
tatlong
Ito si
healer
Sony yung engager. Yung Clumper.
Clear the mobs for now. Clear the mobs.
Nag-OC sila?
Nag-hosting ng sila.
E7 yan.
Gago, may tao din sa labas, oh.
Asan na yung
Leonid.
dalawa pa lang healer na di kaya?
Pengi,
Wait
akin
lang.
na lang yung ano. Yung hammer.
Kung buhay.
Kulang pa tayong healer dito eh.
Sige lang. You can take your time. May aras
Alam,
pa. 15 minutes pa. Please. You have time, you have time.
Bash slowly. Bash slowly.
Ang ano nila, nag-heavy mix muna tapos saka magpupul yung golem. Yung gawain nila.
Mhm.
Ayun na.
Ayun na.
Dep. Yung shallow on the gate. 3, 2, 1. On the gate now. Gate now. Keep bashing. Get your
Bash,
cooldown.
bash.
Keep bashing.
May royal jacket ba tayo?
Magpo-food ba?
Wala pang call eh.
Food only.
Ayun sa front, thank you.
Yo, we ready DPS? Dep.
Ready.
Already.
Wait.
Ayun na, kahit guard room lang ibit ako eh.
Keep bashing. Yo, wait.
Tag.
Shallow on the tanks. Wait. We're gonna headbutt. Get ready to headbutt. Wait. Guard run.
Alas lang balak.
Come southeast. Keep going.
Ayun na,
Headbutt.
looking.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt.
Ayos, one. We can run over.
Yeah. Kiss and doubles only. Get your cooldown.
Chill lang. Palong si Bon eh.
Run over.
Yo, we're gonna headbutt again, okay? Kiss and doubles on the guards for now. Don't
Looking.
Engage,
Have the
nag-engage.
front. Focus on the guards muna. On the guards muna.
Nagpapa ko ng scholar.
Focus on the
Akala
guards
ko
muna.
headbutt.
Try to conserve your mana if you can. We don't have chariot.
Live pa lagyan nga sword si Janet.
Ayan.
Ready
Thunder.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, we're
We're
gonna
trying
headbutt
to inch
again.
up.
Ready to
Inching
headbutt?
up.
Wait.
Okay, heavy mix.
Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heal me.
Defensive, guys. Nice.
The trade. Come back northwest.
Okay.
Get your cooldowns. Stop up muna.
Nagbabash pa rin ako.
Stop up muna.
If you're low, go back.
Wait,
Ilok.
Get ready. 5,
Okay lang.
west side. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Kill the front. Kill. Come back. Be more north side of the
Magbabash pa rin ako.
castle.
Jacket please.
Be more north side.
20
Isa lang jacket na. Wait.
Dalawa.
Dalawa ba? Okay.
Hindi pa yan.
Try to
Ready.
dodge siya.
Try to inch up.
Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Wala
Oh my
na
God.
purge kami. Na-purge.
May heavy may sa loob.
Kaba.
Nice one.
Long cooldown.
Paano kami? Pag-defensive rin kami pag-headbutt. Walking lang. Walking lang.
Long cooldown 10
Guards
seconds.
lang tayo. Guards. Yo, everything shallow at the guards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the guards only.
Turn southwest.
Yeah. Don't push. Just guards only. Walang healer yung mana natin.
We're trying to engage.
Balik muna kayo. Huy, makinig kayo. Guards nga lang
Alis kayo dyan, guys.
Hindi naman guards yun
Dark side died.
Be careful lang. Why you die, bro? Come north.
Because he speaks English.
Cut your
Hindi
mana
na.
muna, healers. Careful. Hagang kayo dito ng west side ko. Kita nyo itong wall. Hag kayo dito. Slowly inch up. Yo, we're gonna head... Wait.
Ready
Southwest pala sila.
Ignite
I'm gonna pull the guard, okay? Just squeeze on the guards muna. Yo, you see this? Wait. Defense now,
Engage.
defense. Everything southwest. Deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back now.
Kingmaker likod
Come north.
Heavy miss talaga sa loob.
Come north. Kiss on the police on this, Kingmaker.
Nag-guard
He's
room
gonna
ako
collapse
kaya.
soon, be careful. He's gonna collapse soon.
Inching sila.
Do you have cooldown?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Hindi carving.
Okay, ready.
Ready now.
Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So, na-silent.
Nice. Come back. Get your cooldown. Yo, get ready to
Ready,
super J. Okay? Let me know when you're up. Kiss on the police on this on this guy. Kita nyo tong... Wait. Push a bit more, push a bit more. Kita
Ready,
niyo yung
ready.
primal southeast. On him. Poppers, wait. No. Don't. Come south. Wait. On the
Looking
west side.
ulit.
Defense now.
Ano, night hell na.
Deep west on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Mahil nga sa likod,
Come
guys.
north, come north, come north.
Ah,
Heal
need
pon, north, heal north. Heals on the north. That's fake. Keep healing north.
Bakit kung
Top off
paano?
muna tayo. Come north. Top off
Ididemon
muna
ko to
tayo.
pag nag-ulti ah.
Yo, careful of Kingmaker, ha? Let me know if you have cooldown.
Para gusto ko
Torch
mag-OC.
Ready na.
Kita nyo over the wall northeast.
Yeah.
5,
Ready.
4,
Yes.
2, 1.
Yeah.
Come back north.
Hindi ko pa na-drop ah.
Wait. Come back north. Let me know if you have cooldown.
Di pa kami nakadrop ha. Di kami
Baka
nakadrop.
drop.
Okay. Wait. Southwest. On the Kingmaker. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Defense at the same time. Kingmaker.
Na GA.
Come back. Help. Aril mo lang. Help our left lang.
10 seconds. 20. Wait.
Okay. Push na nga natin to. Wait lang.
6 seconds.
Pwede.
Pwede
Ay,
ba
magki-click back yan.
i-top natin?
Magki-click back yan.
OC na rin kaya.
Come north.
No.
Switch angle tayo.
Yan na, engaging yan.
Hindi. Andito.
No.
Lugol.
Help
Engaging
front. Everything southwest. Wait. Southwest 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ooh! Oh my god!
Kabak.
Hindi na ako maglalaro pag
Napasin
ganyan.
ba natin yung color na?
Walang makiklik ah.
Come north. May
mag-click
Kingmaker
Kingmaker
inside. Kingmaker inside. Use on double sun. Let me know if you have to.
May polymorph ako.
Jago dying ah. FK.
Come north.
Huwag nyo na ano.
Wait,
Ready na.
left.
Ready na.
Go,
Yeah,
ready.
push them. Southwest. Ready. 5, 4, 3. I got back 2. No.
Inside na lang.
Come
Gusto mo?
north. Come north.
Engage pa ka.
Lift, no mana healer.
Okay. Come north. Catcher, ano?
Si Jago,
Huwag mo tayo
iiwan
sa
nyo na to.
Wala, iwan
Iwan
nyo
niya,
na.
iwan.
AFK, walang magagawa dyan. Mamatay tayo.
Healer yan
ba
ah.
talaga?
Healer
Pwede
yan.
pa nating i-bait yan.
Come east.
Okay, ready ah.
Ayun na.
Ano siya?
Ayun, nagmalala.
Ito nga, come northeast. Bash na nga natin to para may space tayo.
Sorry, na-DC ako. Tangina.
Okay ka lang.
Ay,
Okay ka
okay
lang.
lang. Hindi naman halata eh.
Buhay ka naman.
Conserve mana. Try to dodge the barrel. Wala mana healer natin.
Hindi nila
Dodge the
nahalata.
barrel.
Energetic na lang ako.
Dodge the barrel. Please.
Sige lang.
Get ready to guard doon.
Get ready defensive ah.
May bashing lang. Only the guards, ha?
Yung RB mo, late yung RB.
Si ano.
Only the guards. Wait. Guards now. 3, 2, 1. Guards now. Okay. Try to conserve mana healers. Everyone try to dodge. Kiss on doubles.
Mounting up sila, pati Kingmaker.
Okay, combat. GE them. On the west. GE on the west. Can we?
Don't click out.
Hindi.
Oh, wala pala akong cooldown.
Flip na lang natin. Oh, pumapasok sila.
Flip na lang.
Sila
Pumapasok
dito.
sila sa east.
Come northeast. GE them.
Bumalik ko.
Jay, dito.
Wala pala tayong GE. My bad. Wala pala tayong
Ah,
GE.
lupit nun.
Everything on the guards.
Clear,
Middle.
no?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thinking.
Come back west.
Hold
Get ready to help.
looking.
Get ready to help east. Kiss on doubles.
Pumawit lang po. Wala pa.
Try to dodge the barrels. We don't have mana.
Lord,
Kiss on doubles
carving.
only. Kiss on doubles only. Wait, I'm 5 seconds.
Ready, I'm ready.
Yo, you see this
Ready now.
Ready.
Kingmaker? Wait.
Yes.
Come west. Yo, bait them west and then we're gonna look back at the stairs, okay? Bait them west. Wait, not yet. Kiss on doubles only. Try to touch the barrel.
Loki.
Go deep in them. Go deep. Push them to the gate. Keep pushing them to the gate. On the gate now. Southeast.
Ready.
After J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Kingmaker
Come back.
inside.
Yo, Kingmaker inside.
Touch kayo sa barrel para hindi mahirapan ng healers.
Engage.
Help on the front. Help needly. Heals on needle. Nice.
Ready.
Take your cooldown.
Ready.
Heals on the armor. Heals on
Ready,
under armor.
carving.
Heals on the armor. Yo, look. Shallow only. Shallow southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Nice. Kiss on doubles. Come back.
Kingmaker.
We take Lord. Take your cooldown.
Weird.
Ayaw na ata nila.
Mounting up ulit sila.
Everything on the Lord. 5.
Wala pa.
Lumabas lang ano, southwest. Lumabas lang southwest. Yeah, out southwest.
Ang hirap, walang chariot. Try to dodge, please.
Conserve. Kailangan mag-conserve.
Di pwede yung shield pag maliit masyado.
I think they are moving northeast. Something.
Wala. They're moving up.
Yung HO nila ata binabantayan nila. Yan.
Tara, popokin na
Ay,
natin yan.
oo nga. Nag-drop sila ng HO.
Lip, popokin natin lip.
Tapos na ata eh.
Hindi pa. Wala pa.
Di pa.
Di pa. Phase 2 nga yun, boss.
Yo, ready southwest.
Naka-mount down.
Sino to?
You have 5 minutes. You have 5
Okay.
minutes.
Come.
North
Min?
Wait lang.
Catch.
mid.
Ano.
West,
No.
west.
Cap.
Tara, trap yan.
West. Yo, wait. They're gonna headbutt. Careful. Wait.
Wala pa.
Careful na. Careful.
Papa-OC ka ba?
Yeah, OC for this. Yo, shallow only. Wait. Naghahanap ako ng target. Kita nyo tong Hellfire? Itong Skull Mark? Ready? Wait. Ready to headbutt. Wait. Come back, Rin. They're gonna hit you. Come back. Wait lang. Yo, shallow only. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Can we finish? Come back. Full comeback. They're gonna hit. Come back. Get your cooldown.
62%.
How long?
60%.
Def. Head. Come
Ready.
on.
2 seconds.
Yo,
3 seconds.
deep southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god!
Oh my
Kabaka. Click out. Click. Pushing.
Kulang yan.
Yo, ready pats. Ready pats. Keep pushing. Tanks, hold them. Yo,
Loot up
get ready
base,
potion. Get clear. Pop your boots. Deep south. 5. On the
Layo.
left course. 3, 2, 1.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Buong mundo.
Good job.
Yung ano, tapos na boss.
Catch more.
Tapos na?
I mean, tapos na
Catch more. May south pa din.
Yung Kuma, ayaw mo pa kuha.
Boss,
Wala.
Tanungin nyo kung
Pwede pa.
babalik pa sila.
Ito pa. So.
May kalaban pa dito.
Ando eh.
3 minutes.
3 minutes HO daw. Phase 2. Tama ba? Saglit lang yung pukpukin lift if ever.
Sige. Patayin na lang natin to. Tapos.
Color yata ito.
Keep dropping. Nice.
hindi ko nalasit.
Nangalot nyo na lahat.
Mata.
Back
pala yan.
Pwede nating
3 minutes. Tara,
dito.
pukukabol yan, boss.